Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at brand new facility of Phillips Machine Tool, Bangalore, and we are here with Mr. Sumeet from Phillips Machine Tool, and he is going to tell us about a brand new product from Markforged FX20. Thank you, Sumeet, for inviting us here.
Thanks a lot. Pleasure meeting you.
So can you please tell our viewers about your brand new product FX20?
Yeah, FX20, this is one of the flagship model which is Markforged recently launched. This is more faster, more accurate, more bigger and more smarter. FX20 is basically 4 times bigger what we have the products now in Markforged, and also the 2 times faster with the existing product. So FX20 is basically more sophisticated machine or 3D printer you can say, which together the state-of-art material and the software which will transform FX20 into the digital forge. So the FX20 is also one of the unique part is where we can print a Ultem material. This is more stronger and with a reinforcement with a fiber which can cater into the most of the applications in aerospace, defense, automotive and oil and gas.
So what kind of products you have made for this product, or what are you going to do with this product?
See, FX20, as I said, it will cater into more into aerospace agreed material or what we have, that is Ultem. So Ultem with a reinforcement with a fiber, it can cater into the more stronger and more into the lighter material, where it is approved by the aerospace, which is used in all the aerospace manufacturing as well as the defense manufacturing, which is this, as I said, it's a flagship model which will cover up all the applications which are unable to cover because of the existing printer.
Talking about Ultem, you told me it's a very unique material and very difficult to work on. So I think it is your USP that your machines can work on Ultem.
Yeah, Ultem now which is launched, which is on the FX20. Yeah, it's one of the best material which is the 3D printer ever have. In fact, there are other machines which can be print Ultem, but here with a Markforged using Ultem material, it can be reinforced with a fiber. This is the edge where the Markforged plays in FX20, which can give you the strongest part ever, and it is one of the biggest part which has the print volume almost, as I said, 4 times bigger with the existing one.
Amazing, amazing. So I can tell to our viewers that your USP of FX20 is that it can work on Ultem material, right?
Yes.
Which is the right now demand of the market.
Exactly. Not only it's Ultem, but also with the reinforcement with the fiber. That is also one of the unique feature with FX20.
Interesting. Thanks a lot, Sumeet, for inviting us. It was a lovely conversation.
Thanks
a lot.